Hey, so what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel again. Very exciting day today. Bitcoin's actually up quite a bit, and to me it looks like Trump is actually going to win this election. So we might actually see some very big move up. I will go further into the video. A few indicators we have all seem to be bullish in my opinion. So the next few days can be very exciting. Either way, if Harris wins as well, if the price goes up, down, I'm sure we will see lots of volatility in the market. And yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, let's get into the video. Before I do that though, one more time, please remember that everything I'm about to say is my personal opinion, my personal take on everything happening in the world of crypto. What I do is my own trades, my own investments, and please don't blindly copy what I do. Please do your own due diligence, and yeah, don't blindly copy me. I wouldn't either, so you shouldn't either, or shouldn't as well. Yeah, let's get into the rest of the video. All right, so here we are again, back at CoinMarketCap. So today we are actually a bit higher again, 3% actually. On the chart, it's looking really good actually. In my opinion, I think we're on the right track. Regardless who wins, I have no clue who will win, as nobody does, of course, but I don't think in this occasion it matters too much, because if it all goes according to our indicators, if we are looking at purely the technicals, it's very bullish. And the shift we talked about in yesterday's video, it could very well be up. So as you can see, overall we're a little higher. Over 7 days we're still a little lower, but still it's not bad. Today it's an excellent score. Our fear and greed index is neutral, so it's lowered a bit more, but as I've said before, if we look at it, we always see these big moves down before we see these big pushes up. Like it happened here, it happened here, it happened here, it's happening here, it's happening here, and further back we see the same movements. So we have to shake out that fear before we see extreme greed happening. So it's a normal cycle. I think it'll be fine. We're well on our way. Still, overall, the alt's not doing a lot today, which was to be expected. Honestly, it's a bit of a wait and see game as well. But yeah, crypto bubbles overall pretty positive today. Weekly, no, but all the others are green, so also a very good sign. Overall volume is pretty good. Seeing a lot of green. It's a few news articles I found. Seeing the cutting off the top of my head apparently. I've been checking up on a few articles, always trying to see what the general consensus in these are. So we see someone talking about altcoin season, when it basically it's altcoin season when altcoins outperform Bitcoin. Do I see this happening short term? I don't think so. I think we will be seeing a shakedown more on the alts before we see that bigger move up. Why do I think that? The focus is fully on Bitcoin at this point. Bitcoin, Trump, election, November, seeing what happens in November, what happens after the election, which is basically what we want to know. And yeah, I don't think altcoins have a place in that yet. What I personally think, what I've been saying all this time, is that we will seeing this bigger push around February. And I found another article which seems to be a bit on the same track as me. So basically it's like the altcoin reckoning has arrived, and it's basically, if we look at the fear and greed index, we see the same. We have to see this big move down before we see that push up. It happened in 2019 when he said it. I think it's around. Anyway, it happened before, and I think we will see it here again. This is what this guy says as well. Should be over by December, second week of January 2025 at the latest. I personally think we could start seeing that move, but the bigger move will be a bit later. I think we'll, like I said, around the end of January, beginning February is what I expect. Maybe because we're all expecting it to happen, it will become this self-fulfilling prophecy again, and it'll push up. But even that, knowing that, that gives us an advantage, an edge. All we have to do basically is buy more around December, which is what I was going to do anyway. I will be buying more altcoins, more Bitcoin, more stocks. I will be topping off all of my portfolios, my holdings, really, because December's usually always a red month. There's always a lot of selling, people taking profits, which opens up opportunities if we can catch them. That being said, back to the Bitcoin chart. Now, yesterday we were here, and what I said yesterday was like, if we hold this level, then it would be a very bullish sign. You can see that today we shot up way past this line even. So if we manage to close here, and the results of the election are favorable to people, I don't, like I said, I don't know who will win, don't care who wins, but if the general consensus is positive on a possible result, then yeah, we could see this move all the way. Grab the line too. Yeah, we could see this move bounce all the way up there. Do I think we will shoot straight past it? No. I do think we will see this happening, maybe even this happening, but I do think we will retest at least here. Very least we will retest this. I don't think the all-time high is a straight shot. We will be broken, but of course I can be wrong. But either way, we're going up, which is positive. I said the same thing basically on my BITUNIX chart. So the volume on this is a little bit crazier because it's on the 4-hour, not the daily. But yeah, overall, it's saying the same thing. Like if we hold here, then we've officially broken my level, my resistance box on this chart, which is more bullish sign in my opinion. So in our holdings, we're still good. It's still positive. We're still looking. We're looking towards the all-time high and not a new low. So actually, as I said that, it's technically it is a higher low. Well, not really compared to here, but on the daily chart it is. So yeah, overall it's still very positive. I think the election will have a result, but I think it'll be favorable to us regardless who wins. Even if Harris wins and she denounces crypto or whatever, it'll see a push down. But overall, there's so much buying force in the market, and volume is high. Lots of positive news, lots of market cycles coming up. Overall, I think we're in a very good position. Either way, because still Bitcoin's almost at its all-time high. So for the year, it's been an absolutely great year, terrific year for Bitcoin, considering that we're almost at the end of this year. So yeah, I'm super bullish at the moment. I'm still very positive. I think, yeah, like I said yesterday, I'm still very excited to see the result of this election. But overall, yeah, I'm positive. I think I'm pleasantly surprised by this big push. I honestly would not have expected it to go to have such a volume up. So yeah, it's very good news in my opinion. All right, so I just wanted to do this update today. Please let me know what you think. what your opinion is about the election, or if you have any other knowledge you'd like to share, questions you'd like to ask, please feel free to ask them in the comments below. Also, if you haven't already, please leave a like and possibly subscribe. It will help me out tremendously, since it's a brand new channel. It's the technically the second week still. So for 2 weeks we were doing absolutely fantastic. And yeah, I appreciate all the likes and subscribes so far. And yeah, let's keep it going. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.